Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how to troubleshoot on firewall rules and policies. So I will come with this video. So I will demonstrate how to find which system getting which firewall rule and which policies are applying and which net rules are applying. So how you can find that troubleshooting. So in this video I will guide to you. So I have one system, this is my systems, and this is getting IP address. Let me check first IP address of this machine so that we can troubleshoot how to find this machine which policy apply and which net rule are applied on this system. So first we need to check the system IP address. So we need to enter hit ipconfig command, then we will find the IP address is getting 172.16.16.60. so let me go back. So on my firewall rule policies you can see only one rule is activate, which is default network policy. I don't have created any rules now. Just this is a second video of this firewall. So this is a default rule. There is default network policy, LAN any, WAN any. There is no any block, no any MAC address, IP address filtering. Okay. So how can we troubleshoot? Let's discuss that topics. So first we need to go diagnostic, right? When click on diagnostic, you need to check package capture. So we will capture the packets. So we need to first start any traffic where you want to capture. So first we need to ping here. Let me 8.8. I am pinging 8.8 so that this machine information will go from this machine to firewall, then it will go from ISP router, then landed to 8.8 destination host. So I have start ping command, then here you need to click configure and here type host, and here need to type IP address of host machine, like this machine. Let me open another command so you can better understand. Let me see md ipconfig. So you can see this machine getting IP address of 172.16.16.60, and I have started command ping 8.8 so that we can check. So I have enter here host name, host and IP address, and then click on save button. After when you click on save button, then you need to open on this button, and then you need to refresh this. When you refresh, then you can see my incoming interface port B, my outgoing interface port A, my outgoing interface, port B my incoming interface, and Ethernet type IP version 4, source IP which I am pinging on started on this machine. So you can see 8.8 I have ping here IP address, and destination machine is 172.16.16. This is my client machine, and IP CMP and net rule ID 2, rule ID 5. The net ID 2 and rule ID 5, and again you can see here incoming outgoing. So port number A interface in, and source IP is this source IP my desktop, and destination IP is 8.8, and incoming traffic, this is forwarding incoming. When you refresh this button, then you can see lot of information. So like this you can troubleshoot on our network. You can find which IP address getting which net ID and rule, so that you can understand on that when you go there. Like I am just create a duplicate page so that I can give more details about this. Now we check here rule net ID 2 and rule ID 5. So here we will go rules and policies. It's loading. And default, sorry I just click before I want to show you. You can see rule ID is 5. Here we are getting rule ID is 5. So you can see here is rule ID 5. Now I have opened this rule ID 5. So when you check rule ID 5, so here you will apply. I have applied default policy and line to line general zone. So when you apply here some policy, then you can know, oh, this policy is for administrator, or here block YouTube, something that you can modify, and you can allow that user for from reporting, hey, my Facebook is not working. So you can check that user is which rule apply, so that you can understand, you can modify that policy. So this is one thing. And we need to also check net rule ID. So you go there, net rules, and you can see net ID number 2, and you can see here net ID number 2 apply. So you can see this is a this net policy is apply for these systems. So this is a basic and good troubleshooting points, how you troubleshoot over the firewall rules and policies, so that you can understand which rules and net rule are applied, and then you can troubleshoot and fix your problem. So this is a one idea which I know when I'm using first time firewall, then I'm getting this situation very in my network there are 6,000 users, and each users, each departments having different IP address. So there is 200 100 firewall rules. So when someone creating tickets, so I need to first I am asking, hey, please share your IP address. Then I just start diagnostic system, then I get use diagnose system, and then I understand, oh, this policy is apply on this user, then I will troubleshoot that system and then resolve that case. This is a basic and very good and strong point where you need to learn, and you need to deploy. This troubleshooting will comes in day-to-day life. You can use it. I hope you will getting good knowledge. And this is real-time practicals. I have physical firewalls, I have physical systems, I have recording systems. So I have spent a lot of money for this, to give you a better knowledge for on this YouTube channel. So on my YouTube channel you will get a real live 100% guaranteed quality content. So after when you complete your troubleshooting, then you need to turn off this icon, then click clear. So your all packet capture will be clear automatically. So this is a first and very strong points. And now I need to stop my ping command because I have started here. So I need to exit. This is information on my YouTube channel video, which you will hope you will apply on your channel, sorry, on your systems. If you getting any challenges, then you can reach out to me on my YouTube channel. I have modified my all contact details on here. So I told you so that you can better understand about my contents quality. I have changed many things today. So here, if you have any question, anything related to my contact, you can reach out me my channel details. I have mentioned here. This is my email address, and this is my channel number. You can drop me email your problems. I will available on this email address, and I will revert on your emails. If it very critical, then I will call you, which you share details on my channel. So I'm going to close this video. Thank you so much friends for watching my YouTube channels, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.